Hello everyone and welcome back to another Dollar Tree haul. I found some things that I'm excited to share. Household items. I just want to get those out of the way really quickly and just tell you what they were because they're not that exciting. I got 2 boxes of tissues, 1 roll of paper towels, and then a few items I'm going to share now. Hershey has a lot to say. She's been fed, she's been watered, she's been loved on. I have no clue what else she's trying to tell me right now. But I picked up these hangers. You get 7 for $1.25. I don't think that's bad at all. I chose the black. They also had white. I just wanted to share that you get 7 hangers for $1.25. Where I've been buying a few extra pieces for my closet and stuff, I just find that I really needed some hangers. And then I wanted to take note of these items. These are disinfectant wipes, but these are one of the bonus sizes, so you get 30 in here. But what I wanted to note is that this is the only brand that they had in the store yesterday. And I wonder if this brand is going to replace these Good and Clean ones that I typically buy. I love those disinfectant wipes for all over the house. But this is Disinfects. And like I said, disinfecting wipes, 30 in here. Of course, I got the one that's in the lemon scent. This is my favorite one. They also had this in a fresh scent at my Dollar Tree. So this may be the new disinfecting wipe brand they are carrying. But just wanted to note that. And I'm sure they're going to work great. Let's compare scents real quick. This one's actually sealed. Okay. So that is noteworthy. I really hope that these are very, very similar to these disinfectant wipes. These are the ones I'm currently using through. So that's what their lid looks like. And these are thicker and they do smell nice and lemony. That aside, just a little brand comparison. And then I picked up this Natural Breeze air freshener gel in the scent Sweet Rain. And I just wanted to share this one with you guys. Look how cute and rainbowy the picture is here. I love these air fresheners for the bathroom. I don't buy them for any other room in the house. I literally just use them in the bathroom. Sometimes they might not smell or have a good throw to them, but they do absorb odors. So these go in the bathroom, and you can tell it's a nice peach or pink kind of color in there, and it has a really nice sweet scent to it, and that's why I wanted to share it. I almost just like put it back in my cabinet. It's just a gel air freshener, but the scent on this is really nice, and the packaging too. So I wanted to share that. And then next we're going to move into the beauty items. That's where I found the most items that I'm excited about. So let's move on. I did pick up another bottle of the Women's Daily with Iron. I like these. You get 30 in here for $1.25. It is a multivitamin with iron. And I like it because it has the with iron. So basically that's mostly why I buy this. So I do think it works pretty good. When I'm consistently taking those, I definitely notice a change in how I feel, being tired, fatigued, things like that, because sometimes I do get low iron. I like those. Next up I got this Jot pen holder. Of course, $1.25. They had these in just basic clear. They were all clear, but you could get them with these golden rimmed lining on them, or this like rose gold, which is kind of like the one I chose. This is kind of like a rose gold looking color, and you could get them plain. So you have like a larger part here and then 2 pencil or pen parts here. You could put like post-it notes or stuff like that. I'm not going to use it for that. I'll be honest. I'm going to use it for eyeliners. Yes, my makeup desk. If I don't use it for eyeliners, something else is going in here. Maybe brushes, maybe some pressed powder. I don't know yet. Possibilities are endless. Love this thing though. Thought that was really nice for the price. I did find one new makeup item to share. Well, I guess the rest of these are kind of considered makeup-y items too, or beauty items. But my section had some new things, but I just wasn't interested in trying them. And I try to limit myself to only purchasing things that I know that I'm going to use. Unfortunately, I still have not found a highlighter or a gel eyeliner for our full faces, but you know what, we're just going to keep on trucking and keep on working with it, and you will see a full face of makeup after this haul. So today being, I'll upload this on a Thursday, and you will see a full face of makeup on Friday of Dollar Tree makeup. But I did get a new lipstick, and this is the Ioni Shea Butter lipstick in the shade Nude. I love me some nude lipstick, and I'm excited to try this. I like the cute packaging. I like that the lid is clear and you can see the color. It's definitely a warm leaning nude. I cannot wait to test out the formula on this. It says it hydrates, nourishes, moisturizes, and is a buildable color. Yeah, so we'll see. We'll see. I got some fun watermelon items, which I was really excited for. I love all the watermelon things. But from Be Pure, I picked up the Hydrogel Eye and Lip Mask. I'm not crazy about lip mask, but, you know, this is watermelon, so, and I thought this was a good deal. You get the eye pads and you get a lip mask. It says aloe vera eye mask and collagen and watermelon lip mask. I hope these smell amazing as well. Super duper attractive, pull you in kind of packaging too, with the beautiful green, the slice of watermelon. I love it. Cannot wait to try that out. Oh, and the eye, they are like a metallic shimmery frosty white color. I love that. This is just a plain, but I'm excited to try that. We may use that in that video, and I'll give you my thoughts and little mini reviews. And then another watermelon product. Now from Be Pure, they also had all of the watermelon products. So they had the toner, they had the moisturizer, but I just know me, and I'm already currently using a toner, so I know that that watermelon toner would just sit. And then I also know, because I really like milk products, so I'm already using and stuff like that. I know that the moisturizer, I'm not the biggest fan of gel moisturizers, so I left that behind. But that's just me. I'm sure that is fantastic. But what I did pick up is the Be Pure Glow Up Serum, and this has the watermelon extract in it. The packaging is super duper cute. I love trying out new serums. It looks nice and like thick and gel-like. Super cute packaging. Look how cute. So we are definitely going to be trying this product out. And of course it has some directions and stuff on the back. And I think if you were building a fun birthday gift or like a spa day kind of thing for like one of your closest friends, whatever it might be, your sister, your mom even, this whole set would be really fun to throw in there. They have lots of fun watermelon items at Dollar Tree right now. And last but not least, you knew the ending of this video was going to be nail polish if you watched my channel for a while, right? Did you know? If you guessed, you were completely right. So I did not expect to find these in my store because they've been out for a long time, and I actually hadn't been to the Dollar Tree since April. I know, right? It's June. Anyways, I was taking a hiatus, a bit of a spending break, went back and found these. So the Be Pure is on fire with their releases and products. But I picked up the Watercolor Effect. This is a nail top coat, and it says elevate any manicure with abstract watercolor designs. Now I think what I'm going to do with these particular products is do their own separate full video on how to use these. Maybe you've seen these, maybe you're interested, maybe you don't know how to use them, or maybe after you watch the video you might want to hunt these down and pick them up for yourself when you learn how to use them. Either way, there's a few different ways to use these Watercolor Effect polishes, and you can see they are a very thin consistency. They are lightly tinted, and I will show you how to use them soon. So I picked up, they had 3 at my store. I'm not sure if this is all of them. I hope it is though, so I can like not be on the hunt. But this was a wish list item. So this one is, I guess, the pink one. It does look kind of red in the bottle, but they'll apply really lightly. So I picked up the pink one. I picked up the purple one. And this one's a bit darker, but you can still see that it is sheer and see-through. I am so excited to play with these. There's the purple one. And then I really love this one. It's the green one. You guessed it, I love greens. I love purple too. Green and purple are my favorite colors, but I'm just a sucker for green. Now it does look a bit teal in the bottle, but I'm sure it will apply green. So, the green, the purple, and the pink. I'm super duper excited for these products. Cannot wait. I hope you guys will be excited for this upcoming how-to demo of the watercolor effect nail polishes and the upcoming full face of DollarTree makeup. And I hope you enjoyed the haul. So I thank you guys so very much for watching. Stay tuned for more videos like these, and don't forget to check the description box as well as the cards for additional DollarTree links. Thank you so much for watching.